Hey guys, welcome to the first video of the Flutter development course, and in this video we'll be finalizing the UI of the app which we will be building. And the UI will be an you can say a sort of open source UI kit which I have got from the you can say from the which I have got from the Figma, and this is all of the UI. So what we will be building, we will be building a splash screen, login, home. uh, Maybe we will be missing out the search functionality alongside the item not found, and then we will be building the single item, and after that we will be missing out the complete checkout payment section, but we will have the favorites section, this one, and also we will having the basket section, and of course the profile section will be also be there. Order history will be there, because we will store data on the Firebase, and we will need to get the data to show to the user. And after that, menu maybe will look a little different from this one, but uh, we will have to figure that out. And also the no connection, and we will try our best to include that. After that, this will be the onboarding screen, you can say, the sign up and other thing. There will be the you can see the main screens, you can say, for the product display and for the product selection. We will be not implementing search, so there's no need for that. Also, we will be not implementing the checkout functionality, but we will be adding the basket, so that will also be. And special thanks to the creator of this, you can say, UI kit, because it is really awesome and it will really help us in building this project. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I will be linking this below so you guys can also have a look. And I will meet you in the next video, where we will be starting to just creating a project, and you can say turn by turn putting these all things into the project. And after that, as I have mentioned in the last video, we will be then modeling the data, and after the complete modeling, then we will move toward the Firebase and Firestore and Firebase storage integration. And hopefully you will learn something from this series. And thanks for watching, and it's Aashar Wahla signing off, and see you in the next video. Thanks.